Morning, children. Today I am once again revise the lesson number 6, fundamental rights. Already I explained in previous classes. So today once again I revise the lesson. The answer the following and other classwork. Those who are not write the classwork, you once again write this. Understood? So those who are already write in classwork, there is no necessary to write once again. Understood? Those who are not write the classwork, those who complete the classwork. So it is very important lesson. What is the name of the lesson? Fundamental rights. So there are 4 mains in this lesson. Once again I read all the mains. Listen carefully. First main is hard words. There are 15 words are given. You learn all these words with spelling, then you are easy to read the lesson. So first one is constitution. 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 Second one is citizen. 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 Third one democracy. 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 Fourth one freedom. 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 Fifth one expression. 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 Sixth one religion. 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 Seventh one peaceful. 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 Eighth one civil right. Civil. Civil right. 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 Ninth one equality. 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 10th one exploitation. 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 11th one cultural. 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 12th one educational. 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 13th one minorities. 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 14th one commission. 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 15th one defense. Defence. So these are all the hard words. First you learn all these words with spelling. Once again I repeat all the words. Constitution, citizen, democracy, freedom, expression, religion, peaceful, civil right, equality, exploitation, cultural, educational, minorities, commission and defense. So these are all the important hard words. Understood? Next main is answer the following. So there are 8 questions are given. So I read all these question and answers. Understood? What are fundamental rights? What is the first question? What are fundamental rights? Answer is the fundamental right is Indian Constitution acts as guarantee that all Indian citizens can and will live their lives in peace as long as they live in Indian democracy. Understood? What are fundamental rights? The fundamental rights in Indian Constitution act as a guarantee that all Indian citizens can and will live their lives in peace as long as they live in Indian democracy. So this is the answer for fundamental rights. Next, how many fundamental rights are there in our Indian Constitution? So how many fundamental rights are there in Indian Constitution? The fundamental rights of India are the natural rights of every citizen that can be described as follows. First one, right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, and right to constitutional remedies. Understood? So these are all the important fundamental rights in our Constitution. Right to equality, right to freedom, right against the exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, and constitutional rights remedies. Third one, explain right against the exploitation. Right against the exploitation talks about the banning of forced labor and prohibition of employment of children in perilous jobs. Understood? So, right against the exploitation talks about the banning of forced labor and prohibition of employment of children in perilous jobs. Next, what are the features and characteristics of fundamental rights in India? So, children, there are seven fundamental rights are there. I read all the rights, but you learn only two or three. Understood? Three is enough. Choose any three fundamental rights characters. So, I read all the characters, seven characters. First you learn only three. Understood? Fundamental rights are not absolute. They are subjected to reasonable restrictions. They strike a balance between individual liberty and social security. So all fundamental rights can be suspended except the fundamental rights guaranteed under the article 20 and 21. Right to freedom is automatically suspended during emergency. Some of the fundamental rights are for the Indian citizen only, but some of the fundamental rights can be enjoyed by both citizens and aliens. Fundamental rights can be amended, but they cannot be abrogated. The abrogation of fundamental rights will violate the basic structure of the Constitution. Next, fourth one, fundamental rights are both positive and negative. The negative rights prevent the state from doing certain things. Article 15 prevents the state from the making discrimination. Fourth one, some fundamental rights are available against the state. Some rights are available against the individuals. Next, fundamental rights are justifiable. A citizen may approach the court or law which his fundamental rights are violated. Understood? So next, explain about the right to freedom and give some examples. Right to freedom includes the gamut the rights such as right to speech and expression, right to assemble peacefully or to form association, right to move freely throughout the territory of India, right to live and liberty, right to reside and settle in any part of India, and so on. So this is the answer for explain about the right to freedom and give some examples. Next, explain about right to equality and give some examples. Right to equality means equality before law, ruling out any prejudice on the basis of race, religion, caste, creed, gender, or place of birth. This right also means an equality of opportunity with respect to employment, abolition of untouchability, and also abolition of titles. Next, what is meant by right to freedom of religion and right is importance? Right to freedom of religion is an important fundamental rights of every citizen of India. It explains the freedom of choosing and following any religion. Explain about the right to constitutional remedies and give example. This right also laid down the privilege in respect of the National Commission of Minorities, the National Commission on Women's, National Commissions on Scheduled Caste, etc. So these are the constitutional remedies and give some examples. Understood? So children, there are 8 questions are given, but these questions are very tough. But you choose any those who are interest. First and second and third is very easy. First you learn easy question and answers, and next you learn the fourth one. Fourth one is large. It is a there are so lengthy question and answer. So you will choose any 3. Understood? Once again, those who are not write the in previous class in this lesson classwork, you write once again. Understood? Next, fill in the blanks. What is the next main? Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one, Constitution of India came into existence on dash. The Constitution of India came into existence on 26 January 1950. That is the correct answer. Understood? Constitution of India came into existence on 26 January 1950. Second one, the fundamental rights are dash in character, social and political in character. Third one, right means equality before law. Right dash means equality before law. Right to equality means equality before law. Understood? Next, fourth one, right to freedom is automatically suspended during the dash. The right to freedom is automatically suspended during emergency. Understood? EMERGENCY, emergency. Next, fifth one, dash explain the preservation of language and culture of minorities. The cultural and educational right. The cultural and educational right explain the preservation of language and culture of minorities. Next, write yes or no to the following statement. Right to work is one of the fundamental rights in the Constitution of India. That is the false. So, once again I read the fill in the blanks. Look at the children's. Constitution of India came into existence on 26 January 1950. The fundamental rights are social and political in character. Dash means equality before law. Right to equality means equality before law. Right to freedom is automatically suspended during the emergency. The dash, cultural and educational right, explain the preservation of language and culture of minorities. Understood? Next, third main is right yes or no. Some statements are correct, some statements are wrong. You select which is the correct, with the correct statement you write yes. The false statement you write no. Understood? First one I read the first statement. Right to work is one of the fundamental right in the Constitution of India. No, it is a wrong statement. Right to equality means equality before law. That is correct. The right against the exploitation talk about the banning of forced labor. True. Fundamental rights are only positive. False. Fundamental rights constitute the backbone of nation. That is correct. So there are 5 statements. First and fourth is wrong statement. You write no or tick. So false. So these are all the important things you learn in this lesson. Understood? So those who are not write the classwork, you write all these means in your classwork. Understood? Next you practice in rough note the important hard words and the important question and answers. Understood? I think all of you understand about this lesson.